how to find stream and quality settings on Spotify, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it. First open your Spotify and then click on your profile here in top corner and then click settings. Now all you need to do, just scroll down until you find the audio quality. Here is it, and now just manage anything you want here. And here, if you want to change streaming quality, the first one here, click on it and then change it to anything you want, very high or low, and that's it. And then just go back, it will be saved. And I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.